So slope, here's where you have to remember every whole number has a denominator of 1. So that means I have a rise of -2 and a run of 1. So we're going to go to the 1, 3 first. If our rise is -2, that means I go down 2, right 1, down 2, right 1. You have to do at least 3 points to draw a line, not just 2. 2 points make a line, but here you got to do 3. All right. And you have to have arrows. Arrows. Those are important. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing, but start at the other point. So here, I'm going to go down 2, right 1, down 2, right 1. Even if I wanted to go, I couldn't go down 1 more. If I needed another point, I'd go back to the beginning, and I would go up 2, backwards 1. So this is where 2 over -1 is the same as -2 over +1. Those are the same thing. So now we're going to go ahead and draw our line. And okay, then it says, what do you notice about the 2 lines? Well, if they have the same slope, are they ever going to cross? Nope. And you can actually see it right here. If you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, now you're on the other line. Same thing here. If you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, now you're on the other line. Okay, so you're the same distance apart at every point on the line. Okay, so this guy, do the same thing, but I want you to turn off the video right now and do it yourself, and then let's come back and look. Yes, hit pause. All right, you should have yours done right now. So here we go. This is rise over run. So I have up 1, right 2, up 1, right 2. There's my 3. Then I'm going to put my ruler on here. And I've got arrows, so important. Now this guy, I go up to right, oops, backwards. Sorry, up 1, right 2, that doesn't work. Okay, so this is where you get your m is 1/2. Remember, negative divided by a negative is still a positive. So I'm going to go from this point down 1, because that's -1, left 2, that's -2, down 1, left 2. I can go forward, I can go backward. I just have to change the signs, but I still have to have the same value as when I started. So this line right here, this line right here, same thing. If I want to count from this point, I can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm on the line. From this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm still on the line. Okay, so if they have the same slope through 2 different lines, then the lines are going to be parallel. They will never cross.